So in this video, I'm working on this Haughton call station. Now this here is an older Haughton button. It's kind of the mushroom style button, and it has this small light. So taking a closer look at the button, here's the button itself. And like I said, it's kind of a mushroom style button. Turning it to the back, we can see how the button works. So when I press in on the button cap, you can see it pushes down on those two contacts, which complete the circuit. Here's how the jewel light is held in. Kind of looks like the original washers were replaced with some other pieces of metal, but it does the job. So I as well have the back box for this, and that is where the lamp holder is. So this is what the lamp holder looks like. Now it might not be super clear what kind of bulb this takes or how this works, but the bulb would push down in here and then you would twist it into place. So unfortunately, I don't have any types of those bulbs, so I'm gonna do the next best thing and use an LED. Now, you might be wondering, how am I gonna do that? So this is the connection for the bottom part, which is this metal bit in the middle, and this is the connector for this metal piece. So what I was thinking, I'll tape over the top here so that there's no metal exposed, and I'll take this LED and put it across here, and then use screws to connect the wires to this. I would rather use the actual bulb, but I don't have any of these types of bulbs with me. So in using this LED, that means I will need a resistor as well, and I don't really have a good place to put it. So I think what I'm actually going to do is cut one of the ends off of this LED and put the resistor on there, so then use the resistor as what connects to one of the ends. First things first, let's get this LED put in and set up in here. So I just finished up with the wiring, and you can see here's the button contact, and this is actually what the contact looks like without the button on it, but you'll see it actually is kind of a small button itself. However, I went ahead and took off the button cap and the back because I wanted to clean the plate, and I figured while I have this here, we can take a look at this. So here is what the jewel light looks like, and this is like this little metal piece on the back, and then this is what the button itself looks like. So you can see it's this metal piece here, there's the button, and then here's the piece that pushes in on this here, and then this is what holds everything on here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Shouldn't be too much to do, and then I'll put it all back together and we'll be finished with the project. Okay, now the button is put back together and it is finished. You can see here, if I push the button, it lights up and it looks really nice. So that is it for this project. This was actually a quite easy one. Haughton buttons are pretty easy to wire up, especially this type. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.